Welcome back to Kids Funland Club with Parikshet and Savan. Today we are going to draw
King Boo from Mario.
Boo from Mario. It's an easy drawing and a fun one too. Let's get started. As always, we need a black sketch pen, a white paper and few colors. Ooh, now this is interesting. We'll make a big one, okay? So we start with the
eyes or the mouth?
The mouth.
That's it.
And the big tongue. Okay. The teeth, the dangerous teeth.
King Boo is dangerous.
Okay. And then the eyes. And the eyes.
Mario's looking like a zombie. Look at this. Papa.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Done till here?
Yes.
Now a circle that goes from here to here. The hands.
Oh no, I did from the deer.
It's okay. Finish it. Okay. And since he's a king, we make his crown. We are done with the drawing of King Boo. Okay. We'll be using a little bit of grey color here.
It's not looking nice.
Okay. This is done. Now we need a red color. Where did the red color go? It's here. The bloody red mouth. Okay, and then the tongue, let me also make. And our King Boo from the Mario is ready. Are you done?
I don't know.
Okay, we didn't color the crown.
I want them green color.
Let's finish the crown. This is the crown. Let's quickly color it. Okay. And then we color these stones inside the crown. This is done.
King Boo has a fireball in his hand.
King Boo with a fireball in his hand. Wow. So we are done with this exciting drawing of King Boo from the Mario. I hope you loved the drawing, and if you also drew with us, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearn Club for some exciting goodies from Parikshet and from me. See you there, and we'll wait for you in the next video. And also do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos.
And do subscribe my dad's channel.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.